Hello everybody. Today we're here for an important cultural event in the knife community, and it is the unboxing of Northwoods. So every year Knives Ship Free, they release a Northwoods. You know, Great Eastern Cutlery makes the Northwoods folders currently, and it is hot as a motherfucker here, and the garage is not ventilated. And anyway, we're here today for an unboxing. Okay, it's not about my comfort level, it's about getting some clicks on YouTube. So without further ado, we got our two manila envelopes, and we're going to get away from my sweaty face with the weird headphones on. We're doing this with an iPhone and not my cameras. Okay, so we're gonna wait, hold on. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to make sure we don't show the address. Not that I don't want people showing up to the old house here, but here we go. All right, we got, so the other day I was able to, I don't know how I did it. I'm gonna describe my methodology here. I'm trying not to ding the edge of the deadlock. So part of the way that you score Northwoods is, you know, the day they're going to drop and the time. So what you do is, I found the best way is Apple Pay, because it allows you to pay quicker. And you need to do a few dry runs. You know, you got to put a few things in your cart and try it out and see the right thing to do. Now, there was a very specific technique, or a very specific methodology that I employed here. Keep calling me carry knives. We got that. It's kind of in the way, isn't it? Gotta put the money shot. Okay, deadlock, right? Everybody knows about the deadlock. So the technique to getting these knives is you have to have a methodology. You know that they're gonna have several bone options, and they're gonna have micarta. Now micartas is gonna be like, there's gonna be a lump, some of them, so there's gonna be like 100 of them, and so you're gonna pull as a buyer from a pool of 100. So I know that micartas are probably gonna be the ones that are gonna go slower than the ones that are bone, because on the bone product listings, it's, you know, you're competing with a bunch of people on a single knife. So the idea was, I went for a burlap, which is a micarta, which is we have frosted mini wheat burlap micarta, and I knew that would be the one, you know, one of the burlap micartas would be the easier one to get. So I went for that. I got it. It was good to go. I was like, let me see if there's any bones left. So I went back, and there was a few giraffe bones left. Didn't think about it, and I was able to complete a checkout process two times in a row. You don't get that lucky ever. So anyway, so with the Northwoods, generally you don't get the tube like a regular GEC. You get your little slip and you know, little coin, little sticker. You know, I think the coins are probably copper, so you know, you lose your resale value when you take them out, because they're going to start to discolor after a while. So you got your two little copper coins here. Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at the knife. First one, we're going to do I believe this is a giraffe bone. All right, this is what do we call this? This is called the Bear Lake. So as you can see, it is nice and oily. Turns out I may give one of these to somebody else. I mean, sell them, but sell them at the price I paid for them to somebody, because I don't know if I need to, but it's really hard to figure out which one I want. So this is the giraffe bone. It's like a brown. There were several different colors you could choose from, and that's I didn't really choose from that. That was like there, and I was like, I gotta try it. I gotta try it and see if I get it, and I got it. Sweat is dripping down, and here we go. Here is the frosted mini wheat micarta. I know there's a little bit of inconsistency to the to the frosted mini wheat, but I guess that kind of gives it part of its charm. You know, I'm getting my oils and my sweats on these, so spring on these is pretty, you know, pretty nice. Yeah, how about that? So it's a pretty nice little setup here. Is this? I think the idea here is this is the heat treat portion of the blade, and I really like the etching. My other Northwoods that I had was the Indian River Jack. That's kind of a plain blade. I feel like these are the more desirable of the Northwoods. Anyway, these are the Northwoods unboxing. Their QC is pretty good. Hopefully there's no blade wrap. That one's pretty centered and, you know, pretty nice snap. Pretty nice walk and talk. So I don't really do a lot of unboxings, but I figured, you know, you'd want to see what a Northwoods looks like coming out of the box, since these are pretty hard to get. It's not like it's not a brag or anything, but it's kind of a brag, you know. So if you like this, you know, my sort of regular sort of videos are a little different than this, but make sure you comment, subscribe, like, say hi to the patrons. Thanks for watching.